Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with another amazing review of MyPal. Before starting further review, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment you make. Let's start our review about MyPal. Guys, here we have MyPal payment, which is reaching every corner of the world like sunshine. Here is the MyPal product, which is the MyPal card, MyPal digital bank card for online and offline, and which is used in 180 plus countries worldwide. International remittance and 24 over 7 with MyPal. You can send money online. And here it's multi-currency international digital bank account with sports payment in USDT, Euro, and GBP. Here is about MyPal and let's check out more. These are the features of MyPal. It's improved function and here it's a stored and card customization, fast delivery within 30 days, minimum orders, and it's only here you can check out our core products and services. Here is our digital bank card issuance and our virtual and physical card solutions. Bank card features it can be recharged with credit and sport global ATMs, sport card to card transfers. These are our features of MyPal card. MyPal international remittance. It's 30 plus sport for and here you can check out 30 plus sport, 250 plus pilot and 80 plus coverage countries and 150 plus. Here you can check out transactions about of MyPal. It's transparent fees and competitive prices, exchanges, and here you can check out long-term cooperations, diversified services, and flexible support. System support is present, one-to-one technical guidance, and the convenient operation and payments. These are the features. MyPal digital bank account. It's multi-currency international digital bank virtual card. Sports mainstream currencies such as USD, Euro, GBP for receiving payments. Both merchants and individuals can quickly open accounts. I will show in later part of my video how you can open. It's a global partner limited requirement and join its rebate structure and its flexible policies and pricing. MyPal payments makes the world smoother. Here you can download it from the Google Play, from the App Store, from your Android, and from your H5. Here is the download link available for MyPal also, and there these are the informations about MyPal. Here you can check out their information. And now let's check out how you can create your account of MyPal. And here I will show you. Here we have guys, 1 USDT, one per customer, virtual card, instant free physical card to your door, and you can save up to 99%. Guys, here you can check out 1 USDT for the virtual card, and it's for one per customer, and free physical card to your door, and 3 easy steps, and you can get. Here is limited time, and you can apply. To apply for MyPal card, you have to register your account. Here you have to enter your email, then you have to get your code. Here you have to set your password of 6 characters, and here is referral code, and I will also give you my referral code in my description, and then you have to click on create account. Here I have entered my code, my password, and my email. Now I will click on create account. Here you can see my registration is successful, and here you can check out my assets, and here is the top up, withdrawal, and exchange, and here you can it's a multi currency, and here you can check out USD, USDT, 1 euro. Open your virtual card. It's free physical card delivered to your door. Guys, here you can have a look for, and here is how you can withdraw from MyPal. You have to click on withdraw to account. Here you have to select your currency you want, and here I have enter USDT, and you can use your network TRC and Web20. Here you have to enter your receiving address, and here you can click on all. You have to enter your phone password that you have created during your registration process. Then you have to enter your email verification code, and then simply you have to click on withdrawal. You can attend. You can click on withdrawal, and here how you can withdraw from this account. And here is our exchange. You have you can exchange any currency, and here you can see I will enter 50 USD, and here you can see it will confirm in USDD. You can exchange your currency on my. So here is virtual card, and you can apply virtual card only for $1. For this, KYC identification is necessary. If you want to apply, you have to do your KYC, card information, currency, and you need KYC. And here you can check out the card limit. Also, you can transfer global remittance. It's put it in 80 plus country, 38 sports, and 40 plus wallet. And here you can check out it's the e-wallet and sports, BTC, Ethereum, BNB. You can withdraw and exchange. Here how you can top up, and here is the top up. You can use your BEP20 and TRC. You can scan this code, and you can also copy this deposit address, and this is how you can top up. And guys, the main thing about this is only 1 USD is the action fee, zero deposit fee for virtual card. And here you can check out more. If you need more information about MyPal, you can check out on their website. So guys, must join their community. They are on Twitter and Telegram. And if you have any inquiry how you can activate and how you can sign up for MyPal, you can join their communities and you can ask from there. So it was a short review about MyPal. I hope you have liked my video. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.